Dude, that is so fucked up right here. That's crazy. Dude, if this is how Ford makes OEM stripes, sorry guys, that's embarrassing. That's embarrassing. Yo, what is going on, guys? It's your boy Kozak. It's a beautiful day out. I mean, for me it is. I know some people don't like the cloudy days, but anyways, we're out right now. We're about to be doing something I've been kind of neglecting to do for a while, although it is kind of wet out, so I don't know if today is the perfect day to be doing this. I should have done it on a more sunnier day, but we're gonna be go ahead and removing the stripes off the Mustang. So I've been kind of neglecting to do this for a while because I've watched videos on it. It's kind of a pain. However, I took out my old bumper because, if you didn't know, and so my car is rebuilt, and we went ahead and changed the entire front, and there's obviously no stripe in the front because we rebuilt it. Also, update, we riced our car. We felt temptation to the Instagram stickers. Now go follow that, but the reason we got it, guys, is so we can get free rollers. I'm gonna be honest. We're about to be doing the Mohawk delete off the car, and I have, like I was saying, so I took out the old bumper, and when I took out the old bumper, I made a video on it. There's a short on it, but I tried a certain product on removing the adhesive, and I want to try it like with actually removing it because I haven't seen anybody talk about this product. People use like Goo Gone and like some other products, but I haven't seen anyone use this product specifically. I just realized there's feathers on my roof. I don't even know why. So essentially we tried it with the other bumper and it worked pretty well. So now we're going to be trying it with the whole car. And if it does work the way I think it is going to work, it might be really helpful to some people because I've seen online how much of a struggle it is. I've removed wrap before too, and like the adhesive, getting that off is one of the most annoying parts. I noticed on the back is we don't need to take off the spoiler. Whenever I see people take these off, they are under the spoiler, but not for us. It's actually like cut around it. All right, guys, so we got all the products that we need, we're going to be using. And so I'm going to show you guys what you're going to need if you want to do the stripe removal like I did. So you're going to need a janky water hose, an extension cable, a heat gun, and our secret Chick-fil-A sauce. I'll show you guys once we start using it what it is. But until then, let's go ahead and get a cold start. So we got the car out in front of me. She looks mean. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and start with this top stripe, honestly. But the thing I don't like is that I have to take off 3 separate stripes, and then I'm also gonna need to take off the antenna. All right, guys, so we are on the GoPro, so I can show you guys a bit more better about how to do this. So I didn't realize how deep this was, and honestly, the sun's out, so it's a great time to start. Then we're gonna start with the heat gun. Because if we have a second person to do this, it'd be a lot easier, just so you know. Ooh, look at that. Oh my. Dude, that's coming off like easy. So this car is how many years old? It's 2020, it's 2024. So this stripe's been on around 5 years, 4 years, depending when it was produced. Coming off a lot easier than the wrap I had to take off. I'll tell you that much. Look at that. Oof. Oof. That is so satisfying. Wow, that is so satisfying. Honestly, it might be easier to just hold this. It doesn't take a lot of strength to pull. The reason I'm making sure it's heated so much, I could probably take off the whole stripe right now. It's because I don't want any adhesive left. Dude. Bam. One stripe gone. Look at that. That is so much easier than I could have imagined. Wow. Alright, hold on. We gotta get the thumbnail. I'm telling you guys, you do not want to rush. Dude, whoever wrapped this thing, this might not be OEM from Ford. Look how fucked up that is. Wow. Dude, that is so fucked up. Right here, that's crazy. I don't think I had an OEM. Dude, if this is how Ford makes OEM stripes, sorry guys, that's embarrassing. That's embarrassing. I don't even need to take it off. I'm probably gonna be able to just get it over it. Back on camera, and look at that, guys. It came off, and there's no adhesive like at all. Oh, there is right there. She didn't see that. So yeah, there's barely any adhesive. There's a better way to put it. Not that I could see, and Dude, it looks great. I mean, I think we should black out the roof. I'm gonna be honest. I think this car would look really great with the blacked out roof for the black accents, and then black spoiler here, and it just all leads into it. So we have this left, this little piece, and then the bottom, which isn't a lot left. And honestly, the top came off really easily. So I had a lot of lack of recording because I had family come over, and then I was just trying to do it while I was talking to them. Anyways, we've done the Mohawk delete. The Mohawk delete is done. So with the Mohawk delete being done, we don't have a lot left. We just have this little back piece here. And guys, I cannot stress enough, I've been procrastinating this like crazy, but this is probably one of the easiest things I've ever had to do in my life. Honestly, this is just all we have left. We have to untie this real quick. There's not adhesive being left, really. I'm probably still gonna go over it, make sure everything's good. I think honestly with the wash, most of it's gonna be off, especially right before I do a paint correction. Honestly, man, this thing already looks really shiny and amazing. What do you guys think? Like, honestly, I think it's a great idea. Let me know in the comments if you agree. Should we do a black roof and like just make it look black all to the back? No diddy. I think it's gonna look amazing, but I'm not sure, man. I haven't done it before. I don't know if it's hard or not. I don't know anything about it. So y'all let me know. Go follow the Instagram. And should I do it? Should I make a video on that? Let me know. Honestly, this was much needed. I haven't, I'll be honest, I stopped noticing the stripe with how long it's been on. The Mohawk delete was needed for a very long time. Guys, also with this MP Concepts hood, like, it looks so good from the side. Like, it literally looks like a shark. Guys, would it be ricey to get shark badges? Would it be? Let me know. What if I got shark badges? You know, Hellcats, Scat Packs, they got bumblebees, they got demons, they got everything. What if I get a shark? People are going to be confused, though. Let's be honest. If I get a shark, people are going to be really confused. Say the OEM Ford wrapping job, like, you can just see this isn't straight at all. Like, I don't know how well it's going to pick up on camera, but, like, I don't know if I'm like 90% sure this is an OEM wrap, and just like, what's that? I don't even know what that is. But like, you see like the holes, like, I don't know, man. This is terrible. Terrible. I got a massive headache from the GoPro, I'm not gonna lie. But the video didn't turn out how I thought it would. So basically what ended up happening is we have like 0 adhesive left. Like, there's barely any, if there is any. And we have some over here, and I could show the product I was going to use, but it honestly didn't turn out how I thought it would. As you can see, actually you can't see, the camera doesn't pick it up at all. There's some adhesive there, and so even if I remove it on camera, you guys won't see, but I will show you guys the product anyway. So somebody who does have a lot of adhesive can test it, because I have tested it a little bit with a wrapped car, and it does take off the adhesive pretty well. Like I said, I also tested it with my bumper. Now, I've never tested it on a large scale, and I thought my stripes would have been the large scale, but they're not. So it kind of sucks. The video didn't go as planned or like how I hoped, but I don't know, maybe I should have been less patient. I'm gonna be honest. Maybe I should have been less patient with taking off the stripes, because honestly, like, you're gonna lose patience during it. You're probably gonna pull too hard, which is like why I have little bits of adhesive left. Maybe I should just pull this so I could show how to remove the adhesive, but less work for me. Mohawk delete as it is. What you do, this is a tar and sap remover. This is what I was using. It's from Stoner Car Care. Now other companies have this. This is the one that I use. I can't say anything about the other companies, but when you spray it on, you leave it on for a second, you like let it bond with whatever you want it to bond with, and then you wash it off right away. It's to remove sap, so it's really powerful. You guys do want to wash it off. Do not leave it on the car or let it dry. You're going to be cooked. So we're going to go ahead and put that on in this little spot. You guys can't, I don't know if it will pick it up for you guys, but there is some adhesive there. I'm about to go grab the hose and then wash it off of it now, and just gonna wipe it off. Yep, it comes right off. Guys, before we end off the video, I do want to add that, what the fuck is this, bro? Get it off my car. Anyways, I do want to add that the stripes are gone. The car looks better. The invisible stripes are gone right here. Like, you could barely see them, only when it gets wet, and like you could barely see them there. Once the paint correction is done, it's gonna be great. So that does take off the adhesive. It took off the invisible lines pretty well. Now there's just a paint discoloration, which I will fix, but there's nothing like hard when you move your hand over like this to show that there's like the invisible stripes. It's just the paint now. So we're gonna try to get that done, but let's go ahead and wash off the top now, and we're done. overall, guys, that's the entire video of the stripe removal. It honestly went a lot simpler than I expected. So if you're waiting to do yours, just do it. The longer you wait, the worse it's probably gonna get. For me, I got lucky. You know, the car hasn't been outside that much, and if you have a car that's like 1966 and you got to remove the stripes, good luck, man. Good luck. But basically, it went smooth. All we have to do now is wash it off the invisible stripes and stuff, which I'm hoping isn't too hard, which I'm also going to be able to fix once I do a paint correction. Now, you guys let me know if I should get that roof wrap. I'm going to go ahead and probably start working on tidying the car up, fixing the little things that I don't like about it, the little imperfections like this, things that don't cost money. And also, we have a surprise coming on its way. We want to give away, and it's going to be amazing for our car, and I can't wait to make a video on that too. But till then, we have our beauty sitting like this. Anyways, guys, I appreciate y'all watching this far. Thank you for tuning in. I hope this video was still helpful, even though we didn't have any adhesive to remove. But thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. You guys really blew up the last video, and I didn't even put a thumbnail on it because I wasn't satisfied with the video. So it's just funny how things work out. I was planning on not uploading the video, actually. So, but from the bottom of my heart, I really appreciate it, guys. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'm going to go ahead and see y'all in the next one. Toodles.